What is up and welcome to another video. My name is Chill. Join me today, guys, as we navigate into the crypto world. So Bitcoin right now managed to bounce back up, but is it a good time to buy Bitcoin? So watch this video and I'm going to explain to you the important levels that we need to keep an eye on. So previously, we have discussed a lot of altcoins like Ethereum, ETC, Rune, BNB, and right now most of our trades are playing out. So congratulations in advance to those who were able to get into the trade. If you are ready, let's dive right in.
All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas.
All right, we have Jaideep joining us on YouTube. We have also Muhammad El Temtam. What is that emoticon? Amen. Is watching from Morocco. Let me know where are you from where are you watching this live stream, guys? I would like to hear from you. And right now Bitcoin is trading at 43,400 and a lot of altcoins are bouncing together with Bitcoin. So how far can this bounce go? Let's go check out the chart. First off, we'll go check out Bitcoin. So very important level right now that I am watching for Bitcoin is this previous support trend line right here. So I am expecting a possible rejection on this level here and a possible double top here as well in the 4-hour time frame. So let's see the reaction of the price again once it reached this level here. But right now I am preparing for a possible short position at around this zone right here. So this is going to be around 43,800 up to $45,500. This is a huge zone, guys, but this is going to be a possible swing trade strategy. So previous support turned into a resistance. Let's see if that will play out. My target for this trade is going to be $35,000, which is my first buy zone as well for long term. And again, all charts and TA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. Mr. Miyagi is also joining us on YouTube. Frostly Gaming is requesting for ETC. I think we are on a good profit right now on our ETC trade. So previously I have shared with you one trade on ETC. It was on profit, and to those who were late, I have shared another chart. So today we are going to discuss about ETC. I have prepared a trade setup here, so hopefully we can take advantage of this trade. So also Davide Volpato is joining us on YouTube. So again, watch out for this very important level for Bitcoin, guys. This is going to be the zone that I will be watching very, very closely. In fact, I am already started my DCA short, guys, but this is going to be the level that I will be watching very, very closely for Bitcoin. This is going to be around 43 to 45 500 is the zone resistance for Bitcoin. Gal Ford is also joining us today. Thank you so much for joining me daily, guys. AVAX looking spicy as fuck on the daily time frame. Let's go check out AVAX after Bitcoin, guys. Sammy R is on fire. Thumbs up, guys. Smash that like button. Smash that like button. Imagine if gold break the multi-years cup in handle. It's gonna be insane. It's gonna be insane, guys. Gold is preparing. I think gold has been trying to break that neckline from that cup and handle pattern. And right now, if you have seen the latest US debt, it's like crazy insane. It's like $100,000 per person is the current US debt. Imagine. Also, Amen. February was almost always bullish. Do you think this time will be different? So again, I'm expecting a 3-month, guys, 3-month possible correction within the next 3 months. So possibly around 1 month or on the day of halving itself. So we are right now 73 days. 73 days. What is happening with coin market cap? It's always freezing. So 73 days away from the next Bitcoin halving.
All my fellas.
Are you ready, guys? Are you ready to see that parabolic run? So if you have been into this space, guys, halving is always one of the catalysts for Bitcoin. And post halving, we might see a correction, 40% correction. If you have checked the previous price action of Bitcoin, there's like 40% correction before the halving. I think that is going to be the shakeout, guys. Shakeout for the late comers in the market, for the FOMO traders. There will be a final shakeout, and it's not going to be an easy ride. So if you're thinking, I'm just going to buy Bitcoin right now and hold on up to 60,000 or 80,000, that is not going to happen, because usually in crypto, Bitcoin will do price action that you will not expect, guys. So if you're expecting to just buy right now at 44, 48,000 and hold on until 69 or 80,000, that is just like 2x. So there will be a shakeout, guys. So if you are late in the market, most of the newbies are going to buy at 48 or 44,000. But once they see Bitcoin drop to 30,000, then it is probably they might sell at around those levels and going to buy back higher. And parabolic run is going to be very, very fast. And it's going to create a lot of FOMO. So it is very important that you know your levels, you know the buy zones and the TP points. You need to have a plan. So right now, if you have missed the previous buy zone at $16,000, again, I'm gonna repeat this one more time. This is going to be my next buy zone for Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin will still, let me delete this so you can see it clearly. Let me find a good chart. So probably this one right here. We can use this one. So for Bitcoin, GAL4, WLD, and LSK. Let me know, by the way, guys, if you have any chart requests, let me know in the chat section down below. We'll try to check it. Today is going to be a quick stream, and I'll promise this is going to be a quick stream. All right. So also Frostly Gaming requesting for Uni and Adja, the fixer, one of the VIPs. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. So looking at the Bitcoin weekly time frame, I think, in my own opinion, I could be wrong, but so far, most of our predictions are correct, guys. So I think Bitcoin is going to do this kind of price action here. So probably we might see this kind of price action here as well. So I am still expecting Bitcoin to revisit this support trend line here. This support trend line. So this is going to be around 30,000 up to 32,000 zone. But again, I have several limit orders and buy zone for spot, guys. I am still holding my Bitcoin at $16,000. I already made like 2x or 3x on that trade. So right now I will be buying more if Bitcoin drop to this very important level. So first DCA zone will be at around this area, 37, 38. Next one, I'm gonna buy more if Bitcoin drop to 33 to 35, and then probably I might buy additional $10,000 worth of Bitcoin if Bitcoin drop back to 30,000 level. So that's my plan for Bitcoin. And again, I'm gonna sell early, guys. I'm gonna sell early. I'm not gonna wait for 100,000 Bitcoin or 200,000 Bitcoin. Again, I'm gonna sell when we reach 60,000. When we reach 85,000, I'm gonna sell my Bitcoin. I'm gonna do it and repeat on the next cycle. So also Lydia is joining us. David is very possible and is very good for Bitcoin for a better movement. Yeah, I think right now we need a good correction, guys. Healthy correction, because we haven't seen a good amount of correction in the market. Since 16,000, Bitcoin have rallied by almost 210%. And majority of the corrections are around like 16%. Another one right here, 22%. This one right here is around 20%. So this is just a fart, guys, a Bitcoin fart. So this is not the usual correction like we normally see for Bitcoin. So this is like the normal correction that will probably shake out most of the leverage traders. So that 50% was massive. So from 60,000 down to 28,000 was massive. And then another run here back to 69,000. So normally Bitcoin would do a shakeout at around 40%, guys. 40 to 50% is the shakeout zone for Bitcoin. That will shake out most of the leverage traders in the market. So again, this 20% correction is just a Bitcoin fart. So don't majority of the leverage traders are still in the market. If you are going to check the Bitcoin liquidation heat map, so this is actually in confluence of the important levels that I am watching for Bitcoin. Primo is here. All my fellas.
All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas.
That's for Primo for joining us. So again, looking at this Bitcoin liquidation heat map. So we have a liquidation level here on the 3-day time frame, 44,000. So this is in confluence with my resistance level here on the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, 44,000. We have actually liquidation, $90 million at around this level. And also, not only that, there are a lot of long positions, liquidation at around 41,500. Huge liquidation area as well. Let's go check out the weekly time frame. So we don't have much strong liquidity here. So on the 3-day time frame and 24-hour time frame, huge liquidation at around 44,000. So possible a spike up, maximum 45,500, and then a move to the downside up to 41,500 for short term. But overall, looking at this chart, we're still forming higher lows, guys, higher lows for Bitcoin. So this is going to be a very important level to break. If Bitcoin forms lower low here, so that will be our confirmation that we might be going lower up to $35,000 here. And that's the time I think we are going to see some choppiness in price action once we reach this level right here, 35, before we move further to the downside up to $30,000. I rarely get to join your stream due to time zone difference. Gotta like the stream, guys. Gotta like, press that like and smash that like button. Destroy the like button, guys. That will help the channel and that will tell YouTube to promote this live stream. Can you check Filecoin, Byzone, and Gala? I have actually a lot of chart requests, but let me put it on my notepad here. And Gala, all right. Yes, there is more liquidity on top. It must go down. I agree on that. So next one is, we're going to talk about Binance, guys. We are going to talk about Binance, and I would like to know your thoughts about this. Binance bows trader demands to keep their assets elsewhere. So are you keeping your funds in crypto exchanges? So I'm mostly like, I have certain amounts on several exchanges, but majority of my holdings, I don't really trust. Like, I cannot sleep if I have huge amount on exchange because you don't know what will happen tomorrow. Maybe something like FTX would happen. So I'm not really comfortable putting huge amount on exchanges, especially on spot. So I usually just keep USDT for trading futures. But when I'm buying in spot, like I usually buy spot and then move it out of the exchange. But some like coins that are not available in like hardware wallet. So I'm just keeping them in the exchanges. But majority of my altcoins, I'm moving them out of the exchange. So let me know your strategy, guys. This is one article from ft.com. So this is talking about Binance has bowed to pressure from customers who want to hold their assets with an independent custodian, highlighting traders' growing unease over the safety of the world's largest crypto exchange since it was fined by the US authorities. So it's actually also a good idea. Ledger all life, according to Davide, Bybit for trading. That's good. We have actually a trading discount on Bybit, guys. So if you are planning to use Bybit, the link is on the description down below. There will be up to 30,000 USDT in bonuses.
Let's go!
So according to this article, Binance allows whales or traders with huge holdings to keep their assets at independent banks, including Switzerland's Signum Bank and Flow Bank, according to 3 people with knowledge of the arrangement. So right now, Binance, according to this article, they are allowing the whales to keep their assets at independent banks. So that is also similar. If you are buying like altcoins and if you move your altcoin out of the exchanges. Yes, I managed to become VIP level 2 on Bybit. And if you manage to get VIP, you save so much on fees. Yeah, let me show you my Bybit. I'm also on a VIP level, guys, and you can actually save. So here I'm almost on VIP 2. So next after I'm on VIP 1 right now. I don't know if you can see this one. All right, so you see I'm on VIP right now, on VIP 1 on Bybit. And you will get discount. Actually, there is a 15 or 30% fee discount for 30 days for users that will register on Bybit. So next one is the winner for the giveaway for Fairdesk, guys. So Fairdesk, congratulations to the user ID 484675. You have won the last week giveaway of $100. So check out your account. The $100 is already deposited in your account. If you want to qualify on this giveaway, all you have to do is just to create an account on Fairdesk. Head on to Fairdesk. Create an account using, of course, my referral link in the description down below. And open at least one trade, and you will be eligible for the next giveaway. This offer is based on first come, first serve, and it will end on February 5th. So that is 5 days from now. And also, some winners on the previous event on BingX. BingX will send $100 bonuses to these 19 users later today. So check out your wallet address, and if you want to check out if you are included on this list, feel free to join our free public Telegram group. This was the previous Bybit giveaway event, guys. So here are the list: 19 users who will get $100 bonuses. Next one is Ethereum, guys. Again, watch out for Ethereum because this was the previous pivot point here. And I think Ethereum is still lagging when it comes to price action. And Bitcoin have hit this level. Let me show you. So Bitcoin, so I think Ethereum right now is still hovering on this level, guys. Ethereum is on this level. And as what I've told you, based on the previous price action, Ethereum is 30 days lagging when you compare it to the Bitcoin's price action. So I think Ethereum right now is on this level, and we are waiting on this kind of move, guys. We're waiting for this kind of pump. This was the previous pivot point for Bitcoin. And I think, in my own opinion, Ethereum would likely do similar to this kind of price action. Probably we would hit 3,500 in the coming months for Ethereum, as long as we hold this level right here. This is a very important level and breakout point for Ethereum. So if you compare it to Bitcoin, Bitcoin has broke out from this ascending triangle. We have this ascending triangle as well for Ethereum, and we have seen the price breakout and retest this previous resistance. So I'm still looking at a possible $3,000. We have hit the 2,500 target. So right now, next target that I will be looking at will be $3,000, guys. We have a huge resistance on this level. So this is going to be my first TP and target for Ethereum. And I have opened a new trade for Ethereum, guys. Ethereum, ETC, Rune trades are all in profit. And I started to DCA on my Bitcoin trade, guys. Next one is ETC. So if you are going to look at, this was the previous retest area and buy zone for ETC, and beautiful retest, guys. Look at this price action. We have dropped the price, have dropped back to this level near the support trend line right now. We are managing to bounce back up. Beautiful bounce from this retest and buy zone area for ETC. So again, if Ethereum would hit $3,000, I think it is very likely that ETC would probably hit $42 in the coming months. While looking at the lower time frames, possible inverse head and shoulders, guys. Inverse head and shoulders pattern formation here with the ideal breakout target of 27. This is in confluence with our chart here. The bigger time frame, daily time frame. While I have this short-term TP, so this is going to be my first TP area, 25. Next one will be 26.14, and 27.3 is my final TP for this trade. So I would take some profit around this area and probably move my stop loss back to my original entry price for ETC. Next one is Rune. We have actually hit our final target here for Rune, guys. And this is one of the trades that I have recently shared in the Discord group, guys. So we have hit the 4.6. But if Bitcoin come down, maybe ETH will follow a little bit. So if Bitcoin will come down, ETH is going to follow, guys. But Ethereum is going to recover very quickly based on the previous price action. So if you are going to study the chart in the lower time frame, you compare it. You compare Bitcoin and Ethereum's chart. You will see the similarity, and of course the price action of Ethereum is 1 month behind Bitcoin. So for Rune, again, we have hit the final target here. Let me show you the trade in our Discord. So this is one of the trades in our Discord, guys. So as what you can see, the previous entry point is at 4.1. 4.1 is on this level right here. This was the previous breakout point. So we got in early into this trade when Rune was about to break out, or already broke out. The first break of resistance here, we already get into a long position, and we have made a good amount of profit here, almost 16%. So final target for this trade will be $5. And short term, 4.6, we have hit our target here at 4.6, guys. 4.6 was the final TP for this trade. Our stop loss was around 3.93. Beautiful trade right there. 16% profit on leverage gain. So right now, using this visual screener, you can actually, if you want to FOMO into like most of the trades, if you're wondering, how do other traders catch the next crypto that would move? So you can use this visual crypto derivative screener, guys. So here is what you can see looking at the lower time frame. You can see that right now, majority of the longs are entering JTO and PETH. So if we are going to check the chart of PETH and JTO, it is probably and likely that they are pumping right now. So let's go check out PETH. So as what you can see, PETH, or this is Ethereum's chart. Where's PETH? Here. So as what you can see, we have a bullish candle here for PETH, guys. Look at this bullish candle. So majority of the long position right now are entering PETH. So looks like we can catch a possible breakout here. Let's try to... So we have this zone, guys, and huge order block, but looks like we might see a breakout play here. Ascending triangle pattern. Oh. All right, so looking at PETH again, visual screener. You can use visual screener if you want to see the next crypto that are pumping or dumping using this crypto derivatives visual screener. So that's what you can see right now in the 15-minute time frame. We have PETH, guys. PETH. Longs are entering PETH. So probably possible breakout play here for PETH. So let's check the risk to reward ratio if we FOMO into this trade. So that's a 7% risk. Probably this is going to be the target here. So if you can see this level right here, this was like the previous resistance zone for PETH. So we have several support resistance level on this zone, guys. So probably breakout play. We have huge order blocks here. So possible short squeeze as well. Volume is coming in for PETH. Volume is coming in right now. And a lot of short position on this level. So we might see a breakout play here and a possible short squeeze up to 0.46 for PETH. But of course, you need to consider the risk to reward ratio, almost 50-50, guys. We can see your screen, it's freezed on Discord. Your screen is stacked freeze. I think it's now okay. I'm now in the chat. We have also a bullish divergence here, guys.
Let's go!
So what do you think? Are we going to see a breakout play here for PETH? Right now, we have the price is hovering near the zone resistance, and huge order block is at this level. 0.4 up to 0.43, plus we have this bullish divergence. Bullish divergence, guys. So watch out for PETH. Risk to reward ratio is not that good. Almost 50-50. So let's go check out some of the chart requests before we end the stream, guys. Lydia, screen. Okay, I opened a little bit of 5x. that was fast. Again, all charts and TA here are not to be considered as a financial advice, guys. I don't know if there's PETH on Fairdesk. I have my Fairdesk account open here right now. There's actually PETH. So let me put a small amount here as well. Let's put $1,000 on this. And I'll put my stop loss here, guys. 0.0387. And TP, let me just, what's the number for the TP? That is 0.464. $0.464. So that's going to be our TP for PETH. All right, so let's see how this plays out. Almost 50-50, guys. So chart request, I think if I can remember it, File and Gala was one of the chart requests. Buy zone for Filecoin and Gala.
Let's go!
All right, so while I'm waiting for, while we are looking for Filecoin, smash that like button, guys. Smash the like. Destroy the like button. Filecoin, Filecoin. But I think there's like an issue with the Gala team, guys. If you can check out on their current, I think they have filed a lawsuit against each other. So I think that will be like one of the reason to hinder Gala's price surge. So I think I have already the chart here for Filecoin. So this was the support level, guys, for Filecoin. So this is a huge zone, and every time I don't think that we might see another wick on this level right here. So I'm considering this area as a buy zone for Filecoin, guys. If you want to hold it for long term, this is small range. And if you are going to zoom out, let's go check out the weekly time frame. Look at this, guys. Gala on the Filecoin rather, Filecoin on the weekly time frame has been consolidating, guys. Has been consolidating. Oh, Pete. Pete is going. So we are right now on profit, guys. $89 profit. But let's see. Let's go back to Filecoin and let's hope, let's cross our fingers that Filecoin or Pete would hit our final target. So going back to Filecoin, if you are going to look at the weekly time frame, Filecoin has been consolidating on this level, guys, for almost 100 days or 700 days. So almost 2 years, Filecoin has been consolidating on this level. And if you remember the Link chart, Link has been consolidating on that consolidation zone for like 500 days, guys, 560 days. So probably we might see Filecoin, this is going to explode, guys, once we see a break of resistance here. So consolidating for 700 days. So this is going to be my spot buy zone here. And I've shared this already in our Discord, guys. Feel free to check out the long-term buy zones for some of the altcoins, guys. So going back, if you're going to check the lower time frames, Filecoin have actually touched the 4.7 level, which is our spot buy zone for long term. All right, so this is going to be an easy target, 2024. So at the current level, that will give us 500%. So almost 5x from the current level for Filecoin. So if you have missed this chart, I'm going to share it again in our Discord, guys, under the long term. So I have, let me just share it with you. So Filecoin. AVAX is pumping according to Mr. Miyagi. That thing is gonna explode to the moon, according to the Vide. So again, guys, this is going to be my buy zone for Filecoin. And if you are going to compare it to Chainlink, look at this, guys. Chainlink has been consolidating on this level. And look at this breakout. It was explosive, 200% in just a couple of days. So 532% or 532 days of consolidation for Link, guys. And I think we're looking at the similar chart right now for Filecoin here. Consolidation, 700 days of consolidation. So I think that's it for now for Gala. Check out what is happening with the founders of Gala. So I think they have filed a lawsuit against each other. And previously, I managed to make 10x on Gala, guys, last 2021. If you are following me on Twitter, I have shared Gala when it was very, very early, when it was consolidating at the bottom. And then suddenly it made a huge, huge pump. I made 10x on that trade. But until then, I haven't seen a very good development on Gala. Recently, I think there was a lawsuit files against each other on the each of the founders. So I think that's it for now, guys. We have been live for 45 minutes. Thank you so much for joining me today. Keep an eye on Gala. And of course, our PETH trade is on profit right now. Beautiful, beautiful trade. That was a quick trade. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. If you are new, click that notification bell and we'll discuss crypto trading until we hit the next all-time high, guys. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.